Hey everyone, so what we're gonna do now is have a look at another one of my apps, which is the Lyric Finder. So I'm gonna quickly pull it up once my browser opens. Come on. And oh, this is taking ages. Oh, there we go. So here we are, and in 3, 2, 1, half, 0.3. Oh, come on. Now he's just screwing with me. There we go. So there you go. So at the first, it loads the top 10 songs at the moment being played in the UK, because that's where I lived for a long time. So, and I liked UK music more than any other music in the world. So that's what it is. The UK charts are always kind of better than American, I think. Definitely better than Czech. Sorry, can't help it. So that's what you get. You can view the lyrics, and obviously this is not a production app, so if somebody actually wants to use it properly, then you'll have to pay them money to the Music's Match, whatever they're called, and I'm never ever doing that. Screw that. So there you go. And what you can also do is search for a tune, which is, I don't know, Katy Perry Fireworks, for example. Boom, and it gets you, oh, Drake, Fireworks, okay, cool. DC Clyro's got Fireworks, that's really cool. A tiny indoor fireworks, wow. So yeah, oh, Red Hot Chili Peppers, wow. Cool, so you got that, you can view the lyrics, and, oh, Slave, not for commercial use, oh, wow, so. Guessing this one's instrumental then. Interesting. That's not what I wanted to see. Okay, that's the lyrics. I think you can find the rest somewhere. But this is more like a fun little app. It's completely responsive, I believe. Yeah. So this goes down because it's a great, again, Bootstrap. Funny old Bootstrap. So that's pretty much it. So looks super simple. And what we're gonna do now is have a look at the code. So I'll see you in a bit. Oh, come on. Coolio. So here we are. Let's have a look at the code. So I'm already here. I've got it still running in my browser. And index, again, I'm just importing Bootstrap and Phonosum, as in like 90% of my projects, because it just makes things so much easier, and Phonosum is super cool. So yeah, I don't think we got to see that in the demo, but yeah, I do have a spinner. Let me see if we can actually. Oh my god, why do I have a new tab? I don't want a new tab. Go away. Okay. Outpost 3000. Let's do it that way. And if I go here, come on, yeah, there's a spinner. And then if I go, say, I don't know. There's no songs in my head right now. I don't know. I can't help it. I haven't listened to that tune for ages yet. I'm still going, yeah, that's the spinner. Sorry, bit of UI stuff. Nice and simple. I am using React Router, so let's actually have a look at this. So index, I'm wrapping it up in browser router. I am using hooks and context API just to mix it up. I think it actually makes the apps I make so much smaller, or like anybody's apps really. Makes it so much smaller. It's amazing. Like class-based components are always bulky, and this makes it so much simpler. So in our app, I'm just doing React router DOM, so browser router, then switch route, all that jazz. So a couple of simple routes. I've got my error route if somebody tries to put some nonsense into the URL, and then we've got our layout, which means just index, which I have the search and tracks. Navbar, again, just I'm making this link, so if you click on the logo, it just takes you back to the main page. And search, just a normal classic form using a useState hook. And then in my find track, which is an async function, again using Axios, I've got the dispatch function, which I am pulling in my context. Right here, I've got a reducer set up for the search tracks action type, and then I'm just the state, destructuring from state. Actually, sorry, REST operator pulling in all the previous state, and then as a track list, instead of the original 10 tracks, that's the action payload, which is the tracks that match the query. That's about it. And then in my state object with the track list, heading, and the dispatch function, which then takes the reducer, and here's the whole cycle. So here's my API call, and then that's pretty much it. And then I've got my the context provider, which just passes the state to all child components. Nice and simple. Coolio. So that is pretty much it, I believe. In tracks, it returns, again, just renders the track component for each entry in the response. For each track, it renders this guy with just some information, just some meta information and the name of the track. Just super simple. And then in Lyrics.js, it actually makes 2 calls at the same time, because that's how the API is set up. So I can't just pull all the data about the artist from the lyrics, or the lyrics from the artist call, so for all the track call. So I have to make 2 calls at the same time, and then basically got 2 pieces of state, track and lyrics, and that's it. Just render it out. Nice and simple. Like, the API's got a ton of endpoints. Like, that could be like really cool app made out of it, but I'm just a bit put off by the fact that I would have to pay for it. Which is like, screw you, I'm not doing that. Okie doke. So that is it. Nice and simple. I think that's all I wanted to talk about. Let's see, do I have any interesting stuff in here? No, I think everything is super simple. Cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.